Hi and welcome to your tutorial on how to create a web host on a CentOS VPS. And what I've done for you is I've put all the instructions in the correct steps in text files for you. Basically what you're going to do is just follow each little text file and do everything, and you'll install a server. I will include a download link to that. Okay, first things first, we want to assign a domain. So we're going to use a dynamic DNS domain, and we're going to call it VPS tut, and we'll just use DNS, that one. Just check availability. It is available. Okay, so we go to no, not that. VPN. No. Come on. There we go. Management web interface. You say add a new domain, and we're going to call it VPS tut, as I said. Check availability. It's available. You just have to copy your IP number into the boxes here. So it's 178 63 131 150. Just 63 131 150. That's correct. Okay, say add. And then just copy that domain name that you've created. Go here and go to host name, put it in there, and say change. Okay, I have already installed a new CentOS on here, but remember that whenever you install, you've got to reset your root password, otherwise your root password won't match. Okay, so now let's see if that's working. It may take a while to work, so hang on. Let me just pause here quickly. Okay, I sorted that out. I just didn't like the domain, so what I've done is I've called it VPS germ and dy whatever. Okay, so if I put that in my web browser, you can see I get to the web interface of your server. Okay, Apache 2 is already installed. It comes pre-installed on CentOS. So basically, you don't have to do step 2 of the installation, as this is already done. Okay, so we're going to do the rest now. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up Putty, and I've already put it in. Open. Let me just get the password. Okay, so you log in with your root. Okay, so let's go to step 1, which is to install the MySQL server. Pretty simple. Okay, you're just going to put that command in. Let me do this rather, make life easier. Before I do that, it's a brand new server, so yum update -y. Okay, this is just going to update the repositories. I'm just going to pause while it does this. Okay, so it's finished updating, as you can see. So now, wherever you see that means you've got to run that command on your VPS. So we're going to copy, paste. Yes. Actually, I'll make it a little bit easier for you. /y, and that way you're not going to have to okay, so that's done. Right. And then we're going to create the startup link so that it starts up with the VPS if the VPS goes off. Okay. And then we're going to start it. Right, and there you can see it says okay, so MySQL has started. Right, now we're going to set a password for the MySQL server. We just press enter here. Set root password, yes. And I will tell you in an email what the password is. Okay, so there we go. Now that's done, it's updated. And just press enter on the next one. Okay, does it allow root login? Just press enter. Remove test database, just press enter. Reload privileges, just press enter. Okay, that's it. MySQL is now set up. Alright, so let's go to step 3, which is now installing PHP. So now we're going to run this command here. Yes. Okay, and we need to restart the Apache server. Okay, and as you see, it's successfully restarted. Now we can close that. We go to step 4, which is testing the PHP. Now, the way I would actually suggest you do it is you just create the file on your PC, and you're just going to put that in it. Okay, so we're going to copy, file, new, paste it, save, PHP, and call it info.php. I'm actually going to include the file with the instructions. Right, so there it is there, info.php. So what I use is I use WinSCP. It allows you to transfer files and browse your your server from your computer. Okay, so this web folder is var www HTML. And what we do is we just drag that into it. There, it's copying it, and then we just go properties,